Javea. I just went to do my pedicure at a place that I discovered the other day, and that looks really good, and it was really good, and I'm going to review it on my blog with some pictures up. I'm having a really good experience here. The town is pretty dead, but it is what it is. It's a really chilled out place with a lot of retired English people. The vibe is a kind of holiday. Yeah, I really like it. It has enough services. I don't know if I mentioned my parents have a house here, and that's why I came. A house in the mountains. It's like a villa. It's nice. And I think that's one of my favorite places, the Tilbury. I might have a coffee there. When I ordered this porthole mirror, isn't this so cute? I'm gonna put it in my bedroom and pretend that I'm in a boat. Hi! Just picked one of these up. I'm heading to a place that's near my house that has really nice artisan bread and jamon. And I just wanna see what kind of tapas they have, because if they have enough stuff, I may take something from there. And if not, I'm gonna go to the Little Duck Bakery to have lunch or something, because I haven't really eaten. I got an espresso machine. I've never gotten an espresso machine myself. I usually have them, and so this is really exciting. I feel like a real adult. Needless to say, I have been into coffee lately, and I didn't have an espresso machine at home, so I didn't realize that it came with this little thing. If you order the subscription with the free machine, the machine actually comes with some coffee, which I had no idea. And I ordered all of these because I needed a minimum order to place another order for coffee, and I didn't have, anything. I wanted to get the Dulcao anyway, so that was a good call, I think, because it's my favorite. And then I already had the arpeggio, which is the decaf, and I ordered 2 more decaf, because I have decaf a lot of the time. I don't always have caffeine. I'm coming to see Peter. Don't tell him I'm showing you his address. So I'm at dinner. I forgot to wear mascara, and I look like I have no lashes. I don't know what's going on. I've been eating a diet of mostly teas for the last 3 months, and I look amazing. I really recommend the teas diet. I'm on the toilet, as usual. So I'll show you around. This is the little kitchen that we have if we want to make tea or whatever. And this is our little hangout area. But usually we're just inside of the studio. This is me. So this studio is called the Strong Rooms. It's a really famous place. I have mascara everywhere. It's been a long day. Just came back from the supermarket. As you can see, I found some peaches. Look where I am. Woo. So early in the morning. I just said to the Via van driver when I left, have a good day, love you. I don't know why. So I'm waiting for my manager. We're gonna do a promo shoot today. And I just came to Prince and I got myself a cappuccino. I am at Millennium Bridge, so right near St. Paul's. It's a wonderful clear morning. I love London.
Hey, have you seen
the shooting
pipes?
over here.
The very thin pipe, these?
This
Oh, what, the
very
actual
nice
pipe ones? Yeah, this is for sailors, That's amazing. That could be years old. Oh, it could be 70, maybe more. This is from the wood? Yeah, it could be. Nice bubbles too.
Yeah. So we have been shooting here. The light is absolutely insane. I mean, you can see it in my eyes. This is my beautiful photographer and JP. Do you want to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Yay, he's amazing.
I'm amazing.
And he knows it. As you can see, my sister is going to eat the most. We haven't got her.